Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Okay, I'm doing good, my dear students. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Preeti ma'am.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. My dear students.
Preeti ma'am.
Yes. Today we are going to write and learn the word meanings of selected words that we have learned from two lessons, that is lesson number 6 and 7. In the previous session, we have completed writing and learning the word meanings of lessons 3 and 4. Do you have any doubts from both these lessons? Any doubts about the word meanings? No, right? If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Those who wish to speak, please raise your hands. No? Okay. Now, make sure that you're ready with your literature notebook and textbook. Literature notebook and textbook. Okay. Ready? Let us begin with learning the word meanings of lesson number 6. Joanna Joshi, put your device properly and tell me the title of lesson number 6. Joanna Joshi. Yes, Joanna? Unmute your device and tell me the title of lesson number 6. Come on.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, literature notebook. Okay, Shri Parvati, unmute your device and tell me the title of lesson number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the title of lesson number 6?
The cow. The cow.
The cow. Very good. The cow. It's a beautiful poem written by a very famous poet. Who is the poet of the poem, The Cow?
Robert Louis Stevenson.
Stevenson. Yes, very good. Robert Louis Stevenson. The name of the poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. So today we are going to write and learn the meanings from this poem first. Okay? I request everybody to start writing by writing the word meanings. Please write with me.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, right.
Yes, all have to write with me. Now don't ask the same questions again and again. Listen, when I'm telling you some instructions, giving you some instructions, listen and write accordingly. Okay. Now, my dear students, I will be writing each word and its meaning only one time here on the board, and you have to write it 3 times. Did everybody understand it? How many times do you need to write?
3 times.
Yes, we have done the same way in the earlier lessons also, right? Lessons 3 and 4?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Sri Parvati. She has written it very beautifully. Okay, very good. Now, Aldrina, unmute your device and tell me the first word meaning from lesson number 6, which we have learnt. Might, very good. Spelling?
M-I-G-H-T.
Very good. The first word is might. You have to tell me the meaning also.
Strength.
Very good. Spelling?
S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H.
Yes, very good. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Aldrina. Thank you. The first word is strength. My dear students, let me ask you one more time. How many times are you supposed to write? 3 times. Each word and its meaning, you need to write 3 times. Okay. Now, Hiba, unmute your device and tell me the second word and its meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, what is the second word? Sorry? Spelling?
S-T-R-A-Y.
S-T-R-A-Y. Okay, what is the meaning of the word? Yeah, please tell me the meaning of the word. What is the meaning of stray?
E.
What is the meaning of stray?
E. From a place.
Aldrin, mute your device.
Away from a place.
Yes, please tell me the spellings of each word.
M-O-V-E. Move.
M-O-V-E, move. Away.
A-W-A-Y. Away. From. F-R-O-M. From.
Okay. After that, a
Place.
P-L-A-C-E, place. Very good. Thank you, Hiba. P-L-A-C-E, place. The meaning of stray is move away from a place. Move away from a place. Okay, thank you, Hiba. Good. Mute your device now. Read. Tell me the third word and its meaning.
S. Cleaning.
Read.
Ma'am,
Tell me the third word and its meaning. Number 3.
Showers, rainfalls.
Yes, very good. Spellings.
M.
S-H.
S-H.
Hmm.
W. S.
E-R-S. Showers.
E-R-S.
Okay, what is the meaning?
Rain. Falls.
Rainfall.
Rainfall.
Rainfall. Spelling.
R-A-I. Notebook. Right.
Yes.
A.
Hmm.
L. L.
F-A-L-L. Rainfall. Rainfall. Okay. R-A-I-N. Rain. F-A-L-L. Fall. But it's a single word. Only one word. So you need to write it together. Rainfall. Rainfall. Okay. Okay. Very good, Ray. Thank you. Bhuwana, unmute your device and tell me the fourth word. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Meadow.
Very good. Spelling.
M-E-A-D-O-W.
M-E-A-D-O-W. Meaning?
Flat land with a tall grass.
Oh, tall or only tall grass?
Tall.
Yes. Tell me the spellings.
F-L-A-T.
Yes.
Land. L-A-N-D. With
Continue.
W-I-T. With a tall.
A. Is there? Is there? I'm asking you the same thing again. With tall grass.
With tall grass.
Grass.
Yes.
Yes, very good. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Flat land with tall grass. So, my dear students, stop writing and listen here. If I ask you, Nazia, unmute your device. All of you listen here. If in the exam you get a question, Nazia, listen. You get a question. Just imagine. Give me one word for flat land with tall grass. What would be right as the answer?
Meadow.
Why are the others answering? Yes, Nazia, what would be the answer?
Meadow.
Meadow, very good. So, like that, some questions will be there which will be twisted, not in the form that we are writing and learning. So at that time, at such times, you have to think and write the answer. Okay? Okay, very good, Nizia. I hope everybody has understood that way. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So once again, how many times are you writing and learning? 8 times, yes. And do it neatly. You have to show me before I wind up the session. You have to show me. All of you must show me before winding up.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Manna, unmute your device and read the first word and its meaning. Manna,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, please read the first word and its meaning.
Meaning
Read the word first. M-I,
meadow.
the first one, the first one.
First one.
M-I-G-H-T. Might.
Might.
Might. And what is the meaning?
Strength.
Sorry?
Strength.
Strength.
Yes, ma'am.
Strength. Spelling.
Strength.
Yes, very good. Might means strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength. Okay, very good, my dear. Feba, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Feba, please read the second word and its meaning. Yes, Feba. Feba, can you hear me?
S-T-R-A-Y.
Stray, very good. What is the meaning?
M-O-V-E.
Move. Move, very good.
From a place.
Move away from a place, not a place. From a place. Move away from a place. So if it is asked as a question, give one word for move away from a place. Which word would it be?
Stray.
Stray. Very good. How do you spell the word?
S-T-R-A-Y.
Yes, very good. S-T-R-A-Y. Stray. Okay, thank you. Dia, try to read the third word and tell me its meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. Yeah. Come on, tell me.
Shower.
No. I want you to, if you're not able to read any particular word, try to read its spelling.
S-H-O-W-E-R-S.
Yes.
Showers.
Showers. Okay. What is the meaning?
Rainfall.
Yes. Spelling.
R-A-I-N-F-A-L-L. Fall.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Rudraksh, read the the fourth word and tell me its meaning.
Meadow.
Yes. Yeah. Come on.
Land with tall grass.
Okay. What is the spelling of meadow?
MEADOW.
Okay, very good. So if I tell you, give me one word for flat land with tall grass, what would be your answer?
Meadow.
Meadow, very good. Spelling?
MEADOW.
Yes, very good. Okay. Bhadra, unmute your device and read the first word and its meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read.
The
Hmm.
cow.
That is the name of the lesson, right? The title. I want you to read the first word and tell me its meaning. Yes.
Might.
Hmm.
Strength.
Yeah, spelling.
MIGHT.
Hmm. What is the
Might.
meaning? Hmm.
Might.
Hmm. What is the meaning of that word?
Strength.
Hmm. Spelling.
STRENGTH.
Okay.
Strength.
Okay, very good. The meaning of might is strength. Okay, thank you. Juana Joshi, try to tell me the meaning of the word stray. Juana Joshi, unmute your device. Yeah, stray. Yeah, read the word and tell me its meaning. Stray, yes, the meaning.
Move.
Hmm. Away. Hmm. Are you facing network issues there? Hmm. From a.
From
Hmm. Place. 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 Okay, very good. Juana, tell me, as per the poem, does the cow stray? Does the cow stray? Does the cow stray? No, right? She goes to different places, but by evening, she makes sure that she is back at her own home. Right? Okay, 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 very good. Yes, okay. Thank you. Now, my dear students, we will move to the next lesson, that is lesson number 7. Lesson number 7. Evelyn Mentosh, unmute your device and tell me the title of lesson number 7. Evelyn? Yes. Hmm. What is the title of lesson? Yes, very good. Do you remember the name of the child in the story? Ahona, very good. The story. Yes, very good. How old was Ahona?
3 years old.
Ahona was only 3 years old. Okay. Now, Adityan, unmute your device and tell me the first word meaning of that lesson which we have learned. Adityan. Go slow. Spelling. Tell me the word again. Sorry? Yes. Yes. And what is its meaning? One more time. Adityan, tell me the meaning. Yeah, N-E-W. Fresh means new. Okay, thank you. Irene, unmute your device and tell me the second word and its meaning.
Trunk.
Spelling. Unmute your device. Yeah.
Trunk. Trunk.
Yes, very good. Meaning.
The long
Mhm.
nose of an elephant.
Very good. Please tell me the spelling of each word.
Thelong.
Hmm.
Nose. N-O-S-E.
Hmm.
Of.
Hmm.
Of.
Hmm.
An elephant. E-L-E-P-H-E.
P-H-E or A? Hmm.
H-A-N-T.
Yes, very good.
Elephant.
Yeah. So if I ask you, give me one word for the long nose of an elephant, what would be your answer?
Trunk.
Trunk. Very good. Spelling.
T-R-U-N-K.
Yes, very good. So that way you need to think and choose from the options that would be given to you. Okay. The questions will be twisted and asked. But if you're sure about the answers, you must be able to choose the correct option. Okay. Did everybody understand it? Yes. Okay. Badra, sit properly. Are you writing and learning? Elvin, tell me the third word and its meaning. Hmm.
Third word.
Hmm. Yes. S-H.
Shower.
Hmm. Spelling.
S-H-O-W-E-R.
Very good. Meaning.
Rainfall or rain.
Yes, very good. You can write both as the answers. Rainfall or rain. Both mean one and the same. Okay, very good, Elvin. Edwil, have you completed your writing work? All of you have to show me the book where you are writing, okay?
Ma'am, Karthik, come late.
All the words?
No, ma'am, Karthik, come late.
Okay, okay. Karthik, please read the first word and tell me its meaning. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Fresh, new.
Spellings.
And next question can I? Fresh.
Hmm. The meaning?
N-E-W, new.
Okay, very good. Joanna Rose, the second word and its meaning? Joanna Rose.
Trunk.
Trunk.
Shower.
No, no, the second one, not the third one. Number 2, the second one.
The long nose of an elephant.
Yes, very good. Spellings.
T-R-U-N-K, trunk.
Hmm.
T-H-E, the, L-O-N-G, long,
Hmm.
N-O-S-E, nose,
Hmm.
O,
F.
and
Continue.
elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant.
Of an elephant. Of an elephant. How do you spell the word elephant? Elephant. Yeah, say it again.
Elephant,
Yeah, say it again.
elephant,
Yeah.
elephant, elephant.
Badra. Show me the book where you are writing.
Elephant. Elephant.
How do you spell that word? Okay. E-L-E.
Elephant man.
Yeah. Say the spelling. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Say it again. Okay, Agnes.
Elephant.
Yes.
E-L-E.
Tell me the third word.
Elephant.
Okay. Others, please mute.
Elephant.
Who is that speaking in between? Please mute. Yes, Agnes, continue.
Shower.
Hmm.
Rain.
Okay. Spellings.
S-H-O-W-E-R.
Hmm.
Shower.
Okay.
R-A-I-N. Rain.
Okay. Very good. Okay.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. Yeah. Welcome. Antonio, have you completed writing and learning? Show me your book.
Yeah.
Which one are you writing now? Okay. Okay. Fine. Write neatly. What about Ayyappa Das? Switch on the video. Ayyappa Das. Switch on the video. Ayyappa Das, show me your book.
I don't feel completed.
It's okay. Whatever you have written, that you show me now. Okay, okay. Switch on the video. Don't switch it off. I want to see each one of you. Isabel, show me your notebook. Isabel, yeah. Show me the notebook.
Shiva completed. That's completed.
Okay. So let me stop sharing here. Those who have completed the work, please show me your notebooks. All of you. All those who have completed. The ones who have not completed may continue writing. No need to speak in between. Those who have completed can show it to me. Okay, Evelyn, good. The work is done neatly. Ray, okay, good. Yvonne, Tom, bring it closer. Okay, okay, Yvonne. Edwil, yes. Aaron, hold the book properly with both the hands. Bhadra, show me the book once again. Nazia, very good. Aaron, Paul, good. Bhuwana, good. Rudraksh, good. Neva, good. Hiba, good. Feba, I cannot see your book. Dia, very good. Bhadra, okay, good. Bhadra. Daksha, good. Isa, good. Irene, good. Yes. Anna Rose, have you completed the work?
No, ma'am.
No? Which one are you writing now?
Fresh.
Okay, okay, fine. Continue with the work. Those who have not completed yet, you may continue with your writing work. Don't worry. Okay, Isa, good. I said.
Okay, Augustine and John are not completed.
Okay, Anthony, right? Now, Let us do a quick discussion of the past tense forms of the words given in lesson number 7. Okay? Past tense forms. Those who are writing, just pay attention here and you may continue with your work also. Ritika, unmute your device and tell me the past tense of look. L-O-O-K. Look. Spelling.
Ma'am, that is Ibase.
No, Ritika will give the answer. Others mute, please. Ritika, say again.
Look. L-O-O.
K-E-D.
Look.
L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked.
Amma.
Looked. Okay, very good, Ritika. Thank you. Okay. No need to write. No need to write the past tense form. Okay, okay. Antonio, unmute your device and tell me the past tense of think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Who said think? Bhadra, please sit properly.
Antonio.
Antonio. Yeah, others mute. Antonio, tell me what is the past tense of think?
Tinged.
Is there a word thinked? T-H-I-N-K-E-D? No, there is no word thinked. We cannot add ed at the end of any word as we like. That is not done. That's not allowed. That is the wrong way to do it. Okay? We can add ed only at the end of certain words. Antonio, look into your textbook and tell me the correct answer for this. Come on, do it now itself, Antonio. Check page number 48 and tell me the answer.
I know have textbook.
Why? Where is it?
My tuition class.
Oh, okay. That's a good excuse. Angela, unmute your device and tell me the past tense of think.
Yes, ma'am.
Past tense of think. Past tense of think.
Thought.
Very good. Spelling.
T-H-O-U-G-H-T.
Yes, very good. The past tense of think is thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Antonio, did you hear? Antonio, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
The past tense of think is thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Repeat. Repeat, Antonio.
T-H-O-U-G.
G-H-T.
G-H-T.
Yes. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Say it once again, Antonio.
T-H-O-U-G-H-T.
Thought.
Thought.
Thought. Okay, very good. Aaron, unmute your device and tell me the past tense of ask. Okay, Ritika, please mute your device. Ask. What is the past tense of ask? Aaron. Past tense of ask.
Asked.
Very good. Spelling.
S-K-D.
Yes, very good. Ask, asked. The past tense of ask is asked. Okay, welcome. Then is there anybody whom I have not asked? Ivan Tom, unmute. Tell me the past tense of go. G-O, go.
Go.
Yeah, spelling.
W-A-N-T.
W-A or E?
E-N-T.
E-N-T. W-E-N-T. Went. W-E-N-T, went. Okay, very good, Ivan. Thank you. Anna Rose, unmute your device and tell me the meaning of trunk.
Trunk, the long nose of an elephant.
Yes, very good. The long nose of an elephant is called its trunk. Okay, very good, Anna. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Feba, what is the meaning of shower? Shower.
Rainfall.
Rain. Rain or rainfall. Very good. Spelling?
R-A-I-N.
R-A-I-N. Rain.
R-A-I-N. Rain.
Okay, very good. Badra, what is the meaning of fresh?
New.
Spelling? Hiba, mute your device, please.
New.
N-E-W. New.
F.
N-E-W. New.
N-E-W. From
New.
A.
Okay, okay. Very good, Feba. Thank you very much.
A. C. E.
Feba, mute your device. Okay. So I think all of you have been able to revise the meanings of both these lessons and the selected past tense forms also, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.